ISE 2026. I'm here with Chris from Turtle AV. How you doing, Chris?
I'm doing well, thank you.
We're here at the Rise booth, and what's interesting is, what's your role within Rise?
So this year I was actually a mentor for the Rise AV 2025 group, and it was a really interesting avenue to explore with my history in the industry.
Give us a bit of background about what you've done.
So I've been in the industry from university, but I've done a whole tranche of different roles, from cable TV, satellite TV, broadcast, then ran my own distributorship, run my own installation company, and then more recently I was getting into AV over IP, obviously, and Dante with Turtle.
We know Turtle really well. Eamon and Pavel and the guys have really done well. Congratulations this year for winning your award.
Thank you.
And tell me a bit more about the specifics around that mentorship.
So the mentorship program was really interesting. I just wanted to give back to the industry. So being accepted on to being a mentor was great. And I was introduced to Beth, who was my mentee, but what was really interesting is she's actually a product designer first rather than an AV specialist. So she was a product designer she is a product designer for monitor audio. But that whole thing made me just reevaluate how I was going to talk to her about the industry, because actually the AV industry is secondary to what she's doing. So she could be a product engineer in any field. So it was really opened up the encouragement to explore other avenues. And obviously, as a junior product designer, jumping roles every year or so isn't a bad thing in that sector, because it shows experience and helps her garner more experience within her field.
Yeah, I mean they grow. I mean the whole point of that is that they learn something, they move on, grow, and it's rare to find ladies in the kind of engineering field, as it were, but certainly in that sector. What kind of advice have you been able to give her?
I think the funniest one was, obviously, they were all the mentees were tasked with asking mentors, how did we get to where we are? And I think the industry, I said this, the industry is so small, just don't annoy anybody. And just don't annoy anybody, because the industry is so small. It gets around, the freedom of moving. And I think it's such a diverse industry. I mean, you look around us here at ISE, I did the maths on this, you've got 9,600 London buses worth of exhibition space here, and everything. So you're not tailored to, you're not tied to one sector. I mean, look at me, I've done satellite TV, and cable TV, it's still all AV. So moving around and just grabbing opportunities, near enough like I did with Turtle. Yeah.
And that's quite an interesting thing. How do you see that evolvement in terms of Turtle evolving within the EMEA region?
I look after the whole of EMEA. We're growing. We're going to, hopefully by the end of ISE, we will have 17 distributors throughout EMEA, and we're really starting to see a ramp up and an interest in AV over IP, but AV over IP in the Dante domain. So many people understand Dante audio, but don't appreciate that video just appears in exactly the same routing table as audio does. So actually, there's no learning a new process, there's no learning a new control system. It's there, ready to go, you understand it, happy days.
Essentially, all we're doing is moving data packets across the network.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's coupled with, obviously, relationships with Netgear and those guys. It just makes a really nice, seamless, almost self-discovering system.
Brilliant. And where can people go to find out a bit more information about what you do and about Rise?
So Rise, we're in the east entrance, aren't we here? They're stand 315. Turtle, we're in the Innovation Park, so we're between halls 4 and 5. So come and find us, CS 420.
Brilliant. Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.